morning, students. Hope you all are doing good. So today I'm going to teach you the lesson number 8. Ishwar Mahan Hai. Okay, Ishwar Mahan Hai. So that means God is great. Correct. So God is great because in our in front of whatever it is there around us, like all the animals, pasu, pakshi, पेड़ पौधे जो भी है around us, whatever anything is there, so whatever the nature, so these all who created? Obviously the God has created. Here the lesson is completely emphasized on the God. Okay, so God is a great. So because this nature has given all, he only created. So don't forget here, always you remember the God, you always be calling the God. The God has given a beautiful world. This world has also, he only created. So the human being created, but whatever the beautiful things are there, that is created by God. So that's what we should not forget our God. So सबसे बड़ा रचनाकार, the most big creator, Rachayita means what? Rachanakar means who is creating everything. So the big creator is a God. So here the chapter is एक समय की बात है. Once upon a time, दो अंधे भिखारी थे. In this chapter we have 3 characters. Okay, the first is दो अंधे भिखारी. कितने भिखारी थे? दो अंधे भिखारी. Okay, भिखारी means beggar. भिखारी means beggar. दो अंधे भिखारी. The first one, पहला भिखारी, and the second one is दूसरा भिखारी. The second character is दूसरा भिखारी. So दूसरा भिखारी था. और थर्ड जो कैरेक्टर है, that is the character of राजा. इन तीनों के बीच में ही है ये this complete story about the 3 characters are there, भिखारी, 2 beggars and Raja. Okay, the topmost character is God only. So here एक समय की बात है, and this both भिखारी always sitting in front of राजा का महल, which is the Raja's palace is there. So you know all of you, the palace is a big palace, right? The gate, the main gate, it is so far and far, like that it will be there. So everyone knows the palace, how it look like. So everything palace outside the main gate, always the samit, द्वार के समीप means the gate in front of, okay, a very near of the gate. They were always sitting, and they were both बहुत ही घनिष्ठ मित्र थे. घनिष्ठ मित्र का मतलब होता है a very close friend. Okay, घनिष्ठ मित्र का मतलब very close friend. तो राजा को when the Raja one time they saw, और उनको एक दया आई, and he has one side kindness and merciness, because the beggars always they were sitting in a house, so I will give something. So that the Raja has, the king was given some, every day he is giving some food and clothes like that. Then what happened, and the both are very घनिष्ठ मित्र थे, and they both were very close friends. So that's what every day they are sharing and they are eating. In that, among them, the first one is खाना मिल बांट कर लेते थे, and the first one among these भिखारीज, the first one is he is a big devotee of Raja. वो बहुत राजा का बड़ा भक्त बन गया और प्रशंसक था. उनका मानना था his opinion is Raja is a great. Raja is greater than none of them. No one is. Raja is greater than God. He said. Who said? The first भिखारी said कि Raja is a greater than God. उनका कहना है ये भी था और हम सब उनकी चीज़ों का ऋणी है। एंड ही सेड अगेन, ही सेड वी ऑल आर अ बिग डेक्टर। ऋणी का मतलब होता है डेक्टर, अ बिग डेक्टर ऑफ राजा। हम राजा की ऋणी है बिकॉज वो हमें हमेशा खाना देते हैं, कपड़े देते हैं, सब कुछ लाकर देते हैं। यदि वो राजा हमें नहीं देते तो शायद आज हम जीवित नहीं रहते। उनका मानना था। दैट इज हुज ओपिनियन, दैट इज द फर्स्ट भिखारी एंड फर्स्ट बेगर्स ओपिनियन। ओके, सो हियर वह सोचता है यदि राजा उस दया नहीं होती, यानी एक दिन राजा जब हमेशा की तरह वहाँ से गुजर रहा था, and always because the crossing the road when the come from the palace, the राजा saw and राजा heard, उसने सुना एक आवाज सुनी कि राजा महान है। He heard one sound कि राजा महान है। What is that sound? राजा महान है। He heard that, और किसने कहा? और साउंड था राजा महान है। He heard the sound. Then when he heard that sound, and obviously the Raja become very delighted, correct? And उनको विश्वास और प्रशंसा करने लगे। परंतु दूसरा भिखारी again along with the first beggar, the second भिखारी also admired कि राजा महान है। But inside he just said कि राजा महान है, but he is thinking, his concept, his opinion is no, Raja is not greater than God. Raja is not at all greater than God. Raja is not, because whatever he is doing a good work, whatever he is having a merciless kindness, whatever he is giving a food, clothes, whatever, that is all, that merciless, that goodness is created by only that God only. Who has created? The God, correct? So here, who is the being supreme? The God. So, but he said, he said कि राजा महान है along with the first beggar. But the second beggar, always his opinion, always his concept is no. And I can't accept this one. Okay. Then राजा के मन में जो दया उत्पन्न किया है वो भी भगवान ने ही किया है। उनका कहना था, again he said, the first one day, again the next day, again the same, he was crossing the road. who? राजा crossing the road, उसको जब द्वार से यानी राजमहल के द्वार से गुजरा तो उनको एक फुसफुसाहट सुनी। Then his फुसफुसाहट means whispering. Okay, फुसफुसाहट means you people also, you are with your friend, you are doing some whispering, correct? So like that you are speaking. So that is फुसफुसाहट सुनी। उस फुसफुसाहट में एक कोटेशन है। That कोटेशन is राजा महान है, ईश्वर महान है। Okay, not राजा, because राजा महान always saying the first one. ईश्वर महान है और राजा चिरंजीव। So this quotation he said. This quotation is said by the second one. Okay, this quotation is said by the second beggar, and always you keep it in mind who said. While again the second time the king was crossing the road, that time crossing the palace, that time he heard. Then he thought, the Raja thought, the first beggar is as usual, is the big devotee of king. But the second beggar is not at all his devotee of a king. He is the big devotee of only God, because he knows and he is all created by God, and this God is a greater than no one. No one is greater than God. God only is a great, and he is only greater. Then the Raja, जब उन्होंने सुना, उन्होंने देखा, तब उन्होंने एक निश्चय किया कि पुरस्कार देने की, उसने निश्चय किया पहले भिखारी को पुरस्कार देने का विचार किया। Then he decided to give a big prize for the first beggar. उसके मन में जो भक्त था ईश्वर से पहले उसकी प्रशंसा किया करता था। जो अगले दिन राजा ने मीठा पुलाव तैयार करवाया और उसको दोनों भिखारियों को एक एक तस्तरी में पुलाव भेजी। एंड द नेक्स्ट डे व्हाट ही डिड द किंग, he prepared some पुलाव। The pulao he prepared and he has given with the full 2 plates. Tastari का मतलब plate. Okay, tastari means is plate. Full plate he has given. तो उसकी प्रशंसा किया करता था। उसकी तस्तरी के नीचे पुलाव के नीचे पुरस्कार स्वरूप सोने का कुछ सिक्के भी रख दिया। Then what he did the राजा, he is given like the pulao, the plate is there and full the pulao is filled with some pulao, and then Raja, who is admiring, then he kept here in thali he kept here a gold coin, or he kept gold coin. Okay, he kept under the pulao, उसके पुलाव के नीचे रखा, and that thali has given to the first bhikari, because the first bhikari is always admiring, na? This is a gold coin. Okay, gold coin under the पुलाव के नीचे अंदर रख दिया था। तब दूसरा भिखारी ने पुरस्कार स्वरूप दिया था, यानी पुरस्कार मीन्स रिवॉर्ड। ओके, पुलाव बड़े चाव से खाए, बड़े चाव मीन्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग people are eating and enjoying that food. परंतु पहला भिखारी पुलाव को ना खा सका, but here the अफसोस कि that first the beggar he unable to complete that plate of pulav. He was unable. Why he unable to complete that? But second one his has usual he cleared the plate and he has eaten completely. Okay. तस्तरी में अपने दल दूसरे अंधे भिखारी के साथी को दे दिया। Then what he did, the first one, कि that plate has given to whom? The दूसरे भिखारी को पहला भिखारी ने दे दिया उस प्लेट में। उसे नहीं पता था कि इसके नीचे गोल्ड का कॉइन है। And but the first one unable to eat, unable to finish that pulav. When he will finish that pulav, then only he can get that coin, right? But he unable to finish that pulav, and the plate has given to the second beggar. उसने दूसरे भिखारी को दे दिया। उस दूसरे भिखारी ने इस पुलाव को खाया, and then he has completed that pulav, and again he got some coins, and immediately he hid the coins. उसने उस सिक्के को छुपा लिया। उसे बहुत आश्चर्य हुआ, उसने ईश्वर को धन्यवाद दिया। Then and he was very strange, and he has given a thankful to who? Not Raja. He has given to thankful to God, because the God has given. Why? That Raja has given the full of plate of pulav, and he kept under so many coins, the gold coins, given to the first beggar as a reward. But he is unable to complete that pulav, and again he get back to home. Second, then who got your reward? The second one only got the reward. उसे ये मिली। जब राजा को ये पता चला, परंतु जब राजा को इस बात का पता चला, तो पहला भिखारी को पुनः पुरस्कार के बारे में फिर से सोचा, and again he decided to give the reward. परंतु इस बार भी again but इस बार भी this time also पहले की तरह दूसरे भिखारी को नहीं मिला। Then this time also again he lost the second one only winner. He only gained the gold coins. Here ईश्वर की महानता है, and this is all greatness of ईश्वर, because he is the big devotee of whom? The second one, he is the big devotee of God. He is not a devotee of a king. So that's what, who is the devotee of a king? He unable to finish that food pulav, and he didn't get that coins. But both the time, the two times, who got? who is the main big devotee or big praiser, big admirer of a God who he only got all the coins. So here the chapter is saying, इस कहानी से हमें यही पता चलता है कि ईश्वर को जो महान है उसे सभी मनुष्य की रचना की है, वह प्रत्येक चीज का रचयिता है, वह सर्वशक्तिमान है। सर्वशक्तिमान का मतलब Almighty. He is a Almighty, who the God. इसीलिए हम गॉड भी उसे भी मदद करता है, आशीर्वाद देता है जो जिन्हें उसे दृढ़ विश्वास होता है। गॉड ऑल्सो ऑलवेज ब्लेसिंग यू, ऑलवेज हेल्प यू हु हैज अ बिग कॉन्फिडेंस। एक दृढ़ कॉन्फिडेंस होता है और व्यक्ति में ईश्वर का प्रार्थना करता है और ऑलवेज डूइंग प्रेयर और उसका नाम लेकर प्रत्येक कार्य को शुरू करता है। हम हु इज बिगिन द वर्क विथ गॉड्स नेम, सो दे विल ओनली गेट द सक्सेस, करेक्ट। वही उसका आशीर्वाद प्राप्त करता है, एंड दैट पर्सन ओनली गेट द ब्लेसिंग्स ऑफ गॉड। सो ही इज ईश्वर दयालु एवं कृपालु है। ईश्वर क्या है? एक दयालु एवं कृपालु है, वह हमेशा भक्तों का ख्याल रखता है। इज ऑलवेज लुक आफ्टर फॉर एवरीवन, सभी का ख्याल रखता है। So now you got it.